We live in a world obsessed with health trends. Superfoods, boutique gyms, wearables tracking every heartbeat. Yet in the last 5 years alone, chronic disease in Americans has surged to over 60%. Why? Because modern life has severed our connection with nature. We now spend 93% of our time indoors, tethered to screens, surrounded by electronics, bombarded with stress and toxicity. Our bodies are cut off from the 4 natural energies we were designed to thrive on. Without those raw materials, our cells can't regenerate healthy new ones. And when our cells can't heal, neither can we. That's why we created the BioCharger, a one-of-a-kind wellness platform that reactivates your body's natural ability to heal and recover in as little as 15 minutes. Inside the BioCharger lies the key, the convergence of leading-edge and legacy technologies. Inspired by the pioneering work of Tesla, Rife, and Lakhovsky, the BioCharger combines noble gases, Tesla coil engineering, and tuned frequencies to generate a powerful field of restorative energy. It delivers 4 essential forces: light, pulsed electromagnetic fields, frequencies and harmonics, and voltage. These are the same natural energies our biology depends on, now refined and enhanced for modern life. Think of them like nutrients for your cells, fueling repair and regeneration at the source. Every session is guided by a recipe, a precise combination of energies tailored to your desired health outcome. With more than 1,400 recipes and counting, you can choose programs that support recovery, reduce inflammation, or simply increase vitality. It's not just effective, it's enjoyable. You can feel the energy working, whether it's a moment of personal recharge or a shared experience with friends, family, or clients. With space for up to 6 people, the BioCharger brings wellness and community together. Modern life drains you. The BioCharger restores you. Join thousands worldwide who are already reactivating their body's natural healing power and discover what 15 minutes can do for your life.